What is a Bitcoin wallet? A Bitcoin wallet is software. The software is used to store the coins. A wallet is comparable to a real wallet. Since Bitcoins is a digital currency, a wallet is a digital purse. A Bitcoin wallet is important if you want to mine, trade, or just own Bitcoins. A payment process in Bitcoins is also not possible without a corresponding wallet. A wallet assigns each user their own ID, which is a hexadecimal number. This ID is also called the wallet address. The wallet address ensures anonymity, because Bitcoin users are not displayed with their real names within the Bitcoin blockchain. Only your own wallet address, transactions in BTC, and the recipient address can be viewed on the Bitcoin blockchain. Wallets differ from one another depending on the end device. Wallets for storing Bitcoins are available as desktop wallets, hardware wallets, mobile wallets, or web wallets. A hardware wallet, for example Trezor and Ledger Nano S, is a USB hardware storage medium that Bitcoin holders can use to store their own Bitcoins offline. They are suitable for users who do not want to lose their coins through a hack. A desktop wallet is intended for your own desktop PC and is suitable, among other things, for trading cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoins received are then saved on your own computer. A web wallet is only available through a browser. Bitcoins held are then stored on the web wallet provider's servers. A mobile wallet is often used when Bitcoins is used as a means of payment in everyday life. In this case, the Bitcoins held are saved on your own smartphone. Most wallets offer the option of creating an encrypted backup. The backup is there to be able to prove that a certain Bitcoin amount was kept on the wallet in the event of a loss or theft of the wallet. This also applies in the event that your own wallet has been hacked or you have simply forgotten your password. When choosing a wallet, the seriousness of the provider should also be considered. Wallets are currently preferred for trading Bitcoins.